So guys, I got a Jeep and I've had it for 2 years, and I straight typed it about a month ago. I've been meaning to do this video for a while. I just got a YouTube account, so first video. And I really like this truck. Obviously, it's a Jeep. A lot of people like Jeeps. I really like my Jeep. So yeah, there's the pipe right here. It's pretty muddy. I went mudding this morning, so it's rainy outside, really wet. And so I'm gonna start it up. Listen to this. So it's like obnoxiously loud. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but this is ridiculous. I've been pulled over twice with it, and I tell the cops the same thing every time. Pull me over, I don't care. So here, I'll rev it real fast. Yeah, so that's what that is. It's loud. I don't know if you could hear anything I was saying. It's just so fucking obnoxious. It's ridiculous. So I need to air up my tire, but I really don't want to because I'm lazy. But I am getting new tires on it by the end of the week, hopefully. Hopefully I can get a video of putting those on, or before and after picture. I just got those new lug nuts in there. They're actually black. They're brown right now because, well, mud. But they're black. They're supposed to be. And needs a bath. Look at this. So dirty. Freaking dirty. Stupid. So dirty. And it's just got the stock motor, I guess. I don't know. Only owned it for 2 years. It's just really loud. Oh, I popped that off when I was revving it. Imagine that. And yeah, it's pretty dirty. I just fixed the distributor and probably need to put transmission fluid in there. And new battery. Getting a snorkel on it soon. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I just wiped oil all over my pants. God damn it. Anyways, and then I also painted my windshield wipers this last weekend. I know there's a big old thumbprint right here somewhere. Right there. Because I suck at painting. I used red spray paint I got from Walmart. God dang, I can't talk. Mirrors are broke, but they still work. I don't know if you guys got that or not, but it like... that bracket's supposed to be around that bar, and it's not. So, who knows? And I'm hooking up my light bar soon. I'm going to try to get this whole Jeep thing for you guys fixed up, and I'll see you in the next video.